Hello, trader. Marcelo Torres from TradeWise with one more video analysis on Bitcoin. Let's see what we have here today. Yes, this weekend looked like Bitcoin kind of got a skyrocket and went way up. Next Friday, we do have Bitcoin future CME expiration date. So this is one of the reasons why. The second reason that I guess is that on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we almost had 3 days of the traditional stock market going down, and Bitcoin was going with it. On Friday, we got the news that United States allowed banks to put Bitcoin in custody. So this is something that started the pump. And since we were going down the last few days of last week, and we have good news on Bitcoin, and we have expiration date for Bitcoin on CME, and we have another option, future expiration date. So this week, so this thing just pumped. So let's move around and see what do we have. Okay, here we go. Just want to remind you guys that this video is already available on all TradeWise social networks and also available on podcast. Please follow me, help me spread the word, and don't forget to turn on the alert to let you guys know that I just posted a new analysis, okay? And if you like it, please go down there right now and click on the like button in order to support me, okay? And why not share it with your friends? I also want to remind you guys about my disclaimer that said that this analysis is not uh, uh, a financial indication. It is just my opinion that I am sharing with you guys, okay? Let's see how the fear and greed index looks today for Bitcoin. It is on the level 58. It was yesterday on 55, and things are just going sky high. Okay, let's check out the chart to see how it looks like. This chart came back to the 1 year view. Why is that? I needed I needed to see all these guys down here, and it doesn't show me on the 3 month. Okay, so now we saw that Bitcoin is being supported, or there's a resistance going on for Bitcoin on the level 58, if I'm not wrong, and he will have to break that out in order to keep on going. But since Bitcoin is going up, and if it keeps doing that until the end of the day, we will see Bitcoin hitting, I don't know, maybe 60, 62, and heading up to the next resistance line, okay, which is right here. All right. Okay, let's move forward to see what we have. Looks like the cryptocurrency world is kind of 50-50, right? I don't know, look like more it's like a negative zone. Let's see how it looks like at my Binance balance sheet. On the positive side, we have only 140 against the negative side is a 700. Wow, it's more negative than earlier today when I did the Portuguese version. So look like they are shorting everything, and it makes sense because there's a big resistance that the Bitcoin has to transpass, and if it doesn't break it out, it will come back. Okay, let's see how many pairs we do have. On the negative side, we do have 132 pairs doing a top reversal. It's kind of like, I don't know, maybe a good one is around five, six, seven. I don't know, and they are reverting and they are starting to go down. But with Bitcoin, we only have 25 pairs. Only one is doing top reversals. The other one are halfway down. Some of them with 20%, 24%, 25%, 29%, 33%, 29%, and there you go. So there's a lot of pairs doing some money. When we look at the USDT pairs, we do have 34, more than with the Bitcoin, which is reasonable since we have Bitcoin oscillating a lot. We don't want to have pair with that guy. Otherwise, we will have variation on the altcoin and on the Bitcoin at the same time. So it's kind of hard. It's kind of tough. Have to watch out on that. So that's why I like to do pair with USDT because it's a stable coin on one side and altcoin on the other side. So whatever happens, I just move back fast to the stable coin and I'm good. Okay. Going down on the USDT, like I said, we have like maybe four opportunities of top reversal, and we already did have one, and it is going down right now. So right now we have like 3%, 20%, 8%, 5%, 15%, 14%, 31%, and there you go on. These guys are going down and they are making profit. Okay. Moving forward, just want to remind you guys right here that we have Bitcoin expiration date on Friday the 31st. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why Bitcoin just went sky high. It is curious because it went like 1 week prior to this expiration date. But sometimes that happens, right? So let's see if there's something else. On the financials, what do we have expirate? No expirate. We have the 30-day Fed funds expiring on Friday as well. Let's see the index. What do we have here? Let's see. Nothing going on the metals. Okay, here we go. We had gold. Oh no, this is only on June 2021. It's way far from now. So we're good. No big deal for now. Let's see what else. Well, I guess that's it for now. Moving forward, I have here now the 1 hour chart, which shows Bitcoin on 10,600 and something and still going up. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. Whoa. And I was looking at the volume wave to see if it was gonna revert and touch the upper band, but it didn't. And it's still going up, and the upper band is opening. So that means that it might go even more higher. But stochastic is kind of closing. And since earlier today, the relative strength index is having a hard time to keep on going up. This is kind of strange. This is kind of weird. So it looks like Bitcoin just woke up and it is moving strong. Okay. Money pressure. We don't see money pressure getting in to the overbought zone either. Histogram. The line did. Its Instagram didn't, but the line did. And we also have the spread price not only moving inside the the overbought zone, but the histogram is doing that as well. So, man, Bitcoin is just going crazy. Let's see how far it could go. Let's get a Fibonacci exponential. Let me get it right here. Oh, let me turn on the magnet. Okay. Let's get the how do we call this Fibonacci? It calls extension, Fibonacci extension. So it goes way high. So right now it is holding itself on 100% of Fibonacci. Of course, we do have some resistance levels coming in. I'll show you these on the other charts, but on the 1 hour chart, only on the stochastic that keeps on giving us a sell signal, buy signal, sell signal, buy signal. So, but the other indicators are showing buy signal, are showing that it's positive going up. So, and I don't see any threat going on for the here for the short-term trend. It is going up, and when it turns back it just goes down, but it then comes up again. So I don't see any big deal there. Let's move for the 4 hour chart, which is the most important one for us right now. Moving in, putting it here, you go. It already broke through the 10,386. I was looking at that level to see what was going to go on, and it is just going on. But for this 4 hour, I still don't see a huge volume as we did have uh, on the movement prior to this one. But it is reaching its its 20 period moving average, and it's just 1 year born, 1 hour born. There's still 3 hours to go, and it keeps going up. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Man, this is okay. Now it is going through the return line of the blue channel. So this is the first resistance that it should surpass, and if it does, it's going to go to 10,835. This is the next resistance level that I found on the past. So this is it, man. It is going up sky high. It doesn't want to stop. What is funny that the money pressure it still gives us four negative bars, as you can see here on the indicator. Look, it gives you four negative bars, and you can see that the spread it doesn't want to move, which means that the volume is the one that's pushing harder here on this move. Okay. Well, that's it. Let's see how far it's going to go and if it's consistent. If it is, good. If it's not, then Houston, we might have a problem. Moving forward on the daily chart, there you go. It is touching the blue channel here again, as we saw in the other one. It did surpass the 10,379 level, and it is moving up. Whoa, this is crazy. This is crazy. A lot of volume today. A lot of volume today. Well, that's it. And remember, every time it goes fast, it goes sky high fast, it always goes down. See? It always goes down. It always goes down. Of course, it can keep on going for a while, but it ends up going down at some point. So just be careful on that. Watch your back. Put your stop very tight and just let it go. If it comes back, if it goes for a reverse and it comes against you, you just stop it and you're good to go home with a profit in your pocket. Okay, and we do have positive move here as well on the daily chart. And actually, I was saying that we had a positive move for a while, right? So it just confirmed right now. If we go with the weekly chart, it is breaking the 10,300, which it was a hard level to surpass. Now it went through. Now let's see here on this chart. On this chart here, what else we have? We have here, no, it's kind of shorter. Here, there you go. It's 10,900. That is the level that I see here right now. So let's see how that is going to go on. That is the next level that it should surpass. But let's see how far this guy's going to go, because so far we do have a divergency going on. I'm going to leave it with the dashed line. we do have a divergency going on, and let's see how far it is gonna go. Okay, if do we have this somewhere else? Let me see. Nope, we don't. We do have it on the stochastic line. Let me see. Well, and we do have it here on the money pressure for now. It doesn't mean it's going to keep going like that, but at least for now, we do have something here. I'm going to leave it on the dash just to call our attention. Okay. And to close the deal, so it's just heading to 10,900 to see if it's going to break out this resistance. If it does, then we can go even further to 1100, 11,541. There you go. So let me put it 40. Let's just put it 40. All right, that's it. And let's see how it's going to go. Well, now we have some level that should be tested. And keep a keen eye here. We are on the weekly chart. It's just starting the week. We are 1/3 of the previous volume. So we might watch a bottom reversal on the volume here. See? Let's see how that's going to go. All right, folks, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Oh, we do have here the monthly chart. Just to close the deal here, we do have a monthly chart. It definitely broke the downtrend line. So now it is entering into another level of trade. Okay, so now let's see what is going to go on with this Mr. Bitcoin. Okay, on the monthly chart, we just have uh, buy signs all over the place. I would still say that we let me see. Yeah, I would say that we're good on the buy signs. Yes, we are good on the buy signs. But considering that this week we have um, uh, a Bitcoin future expiration date for CME, I rather see this high keep being kept for the next week. Otherwise, I'm not sure if it's going to keep that high. Even though because what I was told that the whale didn't want it to go over the 10,000, and it did. So let's see what's going to happen from now on. All right, that's it, folks. Hopefully, you guys are inside Bitcoin and letting it go. And if it reverses, stop it and profit with it. All right, that's it, folks. Thank you very much. Please don't forget like the video, and hopefully I will get more details for tomorrow. Okay, because today it's kind of curious move. All right. Okay, thank you very much. Now it is showtime. Take care.